Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple PDF using Canva. And for this I navigated to canva.com and then I'm going under create a design, and here I'm going to select documents, and what you'll see is a lot of options here, and I'm just going to select a template to create my design. And here I'm just going to cross this out, and this I'll change to and what I'll do is I'll modify this information, get rid of anything that I don't need. So I'm going to remove all these, and then here I'm going to add a checklist. So I'll write do something nice for your partner, bake something special, and once you're done, what you'll do is, this is the key, you will, let me move this a little bit, you will do download, and then this is what I select, print, PDF print, and then I'll click download, and then this will create the PDF document, and this could be anything that you want, so just use your imagination to create the PDF download. So this is the checklist that got created, and it's now opening in PDF, and this is it. Once you create, you can share it with your tribe. I hope you like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and also turn the notification button.